Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to search anyone in OkCupid. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in OkCupid, you cannot directly search for anyone's name, but the effective way to search for the profiles that you are looking for is by adjusting your preferences. So here you can see the preferences tab at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Here you can see different metrics. You can adjust everything according to your preference. You can choose the gender, you can choose the age limits, you can choose the distance limits, you can choose the connections, whether it's for friends or long-term dating, short-term dating or hookups. So you can select that accordingly. And below that, you can even choose the looks, the body types, the heights. You can set which languages do you prefer. You can see the gender orientation option, ethnicity, religion, political views, education. But in order to set this, you need to first update your complete profile. Here you need to update your details first. Only after that, you'll be able to adjust these preferences. So first thing is you need to go to your profile and update everything about you. And after that, you can set these preferences over here. So that's how you can easily search in OkCupid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.